Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Rajkumar. So today we will discuss how to make dashboard in Excel sheet. If you are preparing a PPT or presentation and you have to show that any type of activity in dashboard or graph. So we can start how to prepare a graph in Excel sheet. So first we can take any Excel sheet. So this is our Excel sheet is opened. So you can select it any type of activity as per your requirement. So here we can select the labor histogram. So first we have to make some graph. I can take two or three labor contractor name first. So this is the Red Bull Infra, our first contractor. The second is the Ravi, and third is the Mukesh Buildcom. Something like that, whatever you want. Suppose this is the Gautam Infratech. This is the Mumtaz. I have taken the five number of labor contractor name for the reference purpose, and we can take how many numbers of days we have to show in the PPT or how many numbers of month. So we can select it in the 1 week program as per your requirement. This procedure we can follow at the for the whole month or total year. So we can discuss about that only weekly. So I have to take some date. I have selected total 1 week. So first we have to change our text alignment. So text alignment is, I think, 90 degrees sufficient. Yes. So here our date is, we can put here the total numbers of labor. Here I am putting as per my reference only. Whenever you will prepare, you can select it as per actual. Here I have selected as per our requirement total numbers of labor. So here we can start the graph procedure. So from the top of the ribbon bar, you can show the home, insert, page layout, formula, data, something else. So we can select it that insert table. So after the selection of the insert, you can show that numbers of function are opened. So we can select it that the recommended chart as per your requirement. You can select it. I have selected and our graph is prepared here. But here you can show that most of the content were not updated in the graph. So our the layout of the chart here prepared, but the table of content or like that data tables, legend, everything is not updated here. So we have to start the update procedure here. So you can show here the top of the ribbon bar in the chart. The 3 point is open. The first is plus point. So we can select it and we have to put here the data label. I have selected the data label and same that data table is also required. So I can select the data table and the legend is already so, but I think legend is not required because in the data table that contractor name is already shown. So we can deselect that data table, sorry, legend. I have deselected that legend. The chart title, if you want to rename that period of the chart or period of the table, so we can select you can select the chart title. If you not required, if you not want to update the chart title, then you can deselect here to chart title. So I can here write that labor report in place of chart title. I have updated, this one is our labor report. But this is not limited to, but so many design is there in the chart title. So you can select after the selection of the chart, you can show in the top of the ribbon bar so many types of design are opened for the data tables. You can select it as per your requirement. There's total I think 5 or 10 numbers of design is opened for this chart. I have selected one. So this is the procedure of making the dashboard in Excel sheet. If any addition you want, or if you want to deselect the readable for any type of contractor, if you want to show that only 4 contractor in that chart, so you don't want to delete anything, you can select it. If I want to delete that Mumtaz is not working at site, so here we can deselect that and apply here. So you can show in the chart that is only 4 contractor name is there, the fifth is already deselected. So this is the procedure for table making in the Excel sheet.